guys, Uncle Mike 392 out here at Remington Park this morning. Coffee and cars, first Saturday of each month. Check out this AMG. That's nice, man. Look at this right there. See, they coming in deep. This is my third video, guys. It's number 3. Out here at Remington Park, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Remington Park Casino. Check this out, man. This is nice. Got some Halloween stuff going on with this one. Yeah. Yeah, got the pumpkin and skeleton right there underneath the Chevrolet. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice. I like the green and black. Green. That's nice, man. Chevrolet Apache. That's nice, man. Check that out, guys. Check it out. Ooh, nice.
Who feeling this Mustang?
Yeah. Yeah.
Appreciate the light. Yes, like the Mustang. What y'all think? What y'all think about this one? Woo! Nice Corvette, man. That thing's sexy.
McLaren. Check this blue McLaren out, guys. Oh, that's nice.
Ain't say that ain't sexy.
Oh, that's sexy. Look at that thing. McLaren. There you go. I tell you, man, you see some of everything out here at Coffee and Cars. First Saturday of each month. Ooh, look at that. Nice, man. Super B. It's a Super B. Coming in still, man. I've been out here for 40, almost 40 minutes. They're still coming in. All shapes, all sizes, all colors, all designs, all models, everything. That's one. Look at Shelby, man.
Huh?
Check out this Shelby.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Shelby GT500, man. Woo, that's nasty. 500, baby. Look at that. There you go. Appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. Look at red eye, man. It's red eye.
Oh, that's red. What's up, man?
Man, we got to get you, man. You got to slow down just a little bit, please. Let me get you on here, man. Let me get you on here, brother. Get that underlight. Check out the underglow, man. Thanks, brother. Ooh, that's nice. What's up, brother?
What's going on, man?
All right, how you doing, man?
Good, you?
Good to see you, brother.
See you.
Yes, sir. At them cams. Ooh, look at that. Cams, baby. Man, that sounds good. That sounds good. Oh, man, here, brother. There you go.
There you go.
Make some noise, baby. Coming in, guys. Ain't no let up either. They just constant. It's just a constant flow. What's up, brother? Just a constant flow coming in, man. I've been standing out here 35 minutes, just constant. Ain't no breaks or nothing. It just look at that. That Porsche is nasty. Look at that thing, man. GT3.
Look at that.
Coming in here. I love it.
Still coming.
Still.
Still coming. Still coming.
I got you coming in. I like that.
You should have got around Ford over there.
I should have, but at least I got you coming in, brother. You can see you coming in. Woo, look at this. This is nice. I hear them cams. Cams, baby. Don't miss it, baby. No mercy. Yeah. What's up, brother? What's up, man? I'm fine, brother. Enjoying myself. Getting them coming in.
Yeah, it's cool today.
Oh, yeah. What's our friend name that got the Lamborghini, the yellow one?
The yellow one? Ivan, now he has the SEO now.
Is he down here?
No, he's not there yet.
Okay.
I feel like he usually comes later.
Okay, you take your company this way or the other way? He usually come from that way,
Usually
right?
parks in the back. Of the
Okay, so he probably comes from the opposite way. Okay.
Yeah, probably from there.
So he sold his up with the yellow one?
Yeah, so he did that because he's going to get the Revolto.
Yeah.
You know the Revolto? He was able to get the allocation for it with the SV, but Lamborghini told him it's going to be a lower chance. And they wanted him to buy a new Lamborghini so he gets a higher chance. And that's why he did it.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. He was,
I thought he was going to get a Ferrari. He changed his mind?
he's going to get that since 92.
Okay, gotcha.
He still has that on order. They're
Okay.
still making it.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time I talked to Ivan out here, well, I just said over Chisholm Creek, he said he's going to get a Ferrari.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him in a while.
He was supposed to get it this year, but
Yeah.
I think it's been delayed for a little bit. Yeah. He posted a video on Instagram why he sold SV. He's like, I really didn't want to, but it's for the Revolto.
I got him in like 5 different videos with that yellow Lamborghini.
I think it was 99
tripod right there. Just let it film. I can film something else. Make a B-roll. Yeah, that neon. Neon is tight. What's going on, brother? Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at this pimp car. Pimped out, baby. Pimpish. Looking awfully pimpish. Look at this pimp. What's up, brother? Oh, this presidential. See where it says presidential?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Mach 1. What's going on, brother?
Man, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing, man?
Good, how y'all doing?
Doing fine, brother.
Man, doing
Thank
good,
you.
man.
Yes, I see y'all out there.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit.
Mark 1.
Motherfucking price.
Yeah, they coming around, man. What's going on, brother?
That's pretty good. I warrant tooth bone.
Huh?
Tooth bone. Hey, gotta have Facebook and YouTube at the same time. Really?
Oh, yeah.
Going live.
That purple is tight there, boy. That's nice, man. Purple and white and black. Really nice. Black widow. It's nice. That's the Black Widow. Damn, man, brother B missing all this. I don't know where B is, man. But he missing this. I don't know where he at in here, but he missing all this. He said he gonna go to 5 different places today.
Really?
You know, he'll do it too.
Oh, yeah. I know.